talking about family, relationships and connections. I have 2 uncles. I have 3 aunts. Ella is 5 years old. Jack is 7 years old. My dad is 62 years old. My mom is 60 years old. My mom is 60 years old. My aunt's name is Sarah. My uncle's name is John. No, I have 2 siblings. My spouse's name is Alex. My spouse is 40 years old. My mom works as a librarian. Yes, my brother has 2 kids. Yes, my brother has 2 kids. My brother works as a lawyer. Yes, I have wonderful in-laws. I have 1 brother named Jake. I have 1 sister named Emily. My parents are both retired now. My oldest child is 12 years old. I have been married for 15 years. I have been married for 15 years. My youngest child is 5 years old. I have 3 living grandparents. My oldest sibling is 35 years old. My kids are very active in soccer. My kids are 5, 8, and 12 years old. My youngest sibling is 25 years old. No, I do not have any step-siblings. No, I do not have any step-siblings. My siblings are named Jake and Emily. I see my family almost every weekend. Yes, I have 2 wonderful godparents. Our favorite family game is Monopoly. My family originally comes from Italy. We take family vacations every summer. We want to have 2 kids in the future. We want to have 2 kids in the future. My spouse works as a software engineer. Yes, my parents retired a few years ago. No, I am the middle child in our family. Yes, I am the oldest child in the family. Our family originally hails from Germany. No, we do not have any grandchildren yet. Yes, we visit my great-grandmother often. Yes, we visit my great-grandmother often. Yes, my parents are still living together. My kids go to the local elementary school. We often cook dinner together as a family. Yes, we have a golden retriever named Max. Our favorite family meal is homemade pizza. My sister is a nurse at the local hospital. Our favorite vacation spot is the mountains. My spouse loves to paint in their free time. My spouse loves to paint in their free time. We visit my grandparents every other weekend. My siblings both live in the same city as us. I have 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. My parents live just a few miles away from us. I have many cousins, most of whom live nearby. We are very close-knit and support each other. I have 1 sister, Emily, who is 25 years old. My family lives in a small town in California. My family lives in a small town in California. Yes, I have one great-grandparent still alive. I have one brother, Jake, who is 20 years old. We have a Labrador Retriever and a Siamese cat. My kids enjoy swimming and reading books. My parents have been married for over 35 years. Yes, we speak both English and Spanish at home. I talk to my parents on the phone every evening. I have a great relationship with all my cousins. I have a great relationship with all my cousins. My siblings live in the same neighborhood as us. Yes, my grandparents are still alive and active. My husband and I have been together for 15 years. Yes, my kids get along very well with each other. My children's names are Michael, Anna, and James. We visit our extended family every holiday season. My father is a doctor, and my mother is a teacher. Our favorite sport to play together is basketball. Yes, we have a great relationship with my in-laws. Yes, we have a great relationship with my in-laws. We always celebrate Christmas together as a family. My great-grandmother enjoys knitting and gardening. We have a tradition of family picnics every summer. My favorite family memory is our vacation to Hawaii. My dad used to work in construction before retiring. I have 7 cousins, all of whom I am very close to. Our favorite book to read together is Harry Potter. Our favorite movie to watch together is The Lion King. Our favorite movie to watch together is The Lion King. My daughter plays the piano, and my son plays the guitar. I have 2 nieces, Ella and Sophie, and 1 nephew, Jack. Our favorite family tradition is our annual camping trip. Our favorite activity is going hiking together on weekends. Yes, we have a large family with many cousins and relatives. My family is talented in music. Many of us play instruments. My family consists of my parents, my younger brother, and me. My brother is a college student, and my sister is an architect. My favorite childhood memory is our trip to Disneyland. Yes, we have a large extended family that gathers often. Yes, we have a large extended family that gathers often. We have a cat named Whiskers and a dog named Buddy.